I think it is very important that place-based services take primacy within this, and that we don't just build in a repeat of the structure. So there is some risk, I think, that ICSs could start to replicate what used to be the old strategic health authorities, and that we just build in tiers of governance that actually make change or transformation very turgid. So we've got an opportunity to become much more fleet-footed, and we've got to grasp that through the permissiveness of the design framework as it stands. So building that up in the very best way, so that we are engaged, we continue to be engaged with local authorities, and local authorities are nervous about this big change. We're trying to push this change. We will push this change into legislation by the 1st of April next year. The last time we made a change of this magnitude in the NHS, we took about 3 years to do it, but we're doing this in a year. And so, you do worry about the scale and the pace, being able to get this right. So as chief execs, myself and all of the other chief execs in our patch, this is the major focus of attention for us over the next 3 to 4 months, so that we're all comfortable to work in that framework in the very best way that we can. It's a great opportunity, I think. It's a great opportunity for very quick improvement if it is managed in the right way.